Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete or get rid of open to work on your LinkedIn profile. So currently we have an example here where it says open to work on this LinkedIn profile and you want to get rid of it. So this applies for mobile, tablet, and also on the web browser, but currently I'll be showing you how it's done on the web browser. So when you're on your profile on LinkedIn, let me just refresh the page. So when you're in your profile on LinkedIn, it says open to work. How would you want to get rid of this? All you have to do is click on this pencil button that gives you the ability to modify. So once you click on there, you have the different job preferences that this account has put in place for being open to work. So all you have to do is click at the bottom. You just click delete and it says delete job preferences. So you will no longer share with others that you're open to work. Job preferences help us provide you with a better job search experience. When you click delete, it's gonna go automatically. So now you see it no longer says open to work on your LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.